Ensuring ISF compliance for machinery imports. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will discuss the importance of ensuring importer security filing, ISF, compliance for industrial machinery imports. Importing industrial machinery requires careful attention to customs regulations and documentation to ensure a smooth customs clearance process. We will explore best practices and compliance measures to secure smooth customs clearance for these specialized imports. Let's get started. Understand customs classification. Thoroughly understand the customs classification of the industrial machinery being imported. Accurate classification is crucial for determining the appropriate tariffs and complying with customs regulations. Consult with customs experts or utilize classification tools to ensure proper classification of the imported machinery. Data accuracy in ISF filing. Ensure data accuracy during ISF filing for industrial machinery imports. Provide detailed and accurate information about the machinery, including manufacturer details, product descriptions, quantities, and shipping details. Accurate data entry minimizes the risk of compliance issues and facilitates smooth customs clearance. Compliance with regulatory standards. Ensure compliance with regulatory standards specific to industrial machinery imports. Industrial machinery may be subject to safety, environmental, or other regulatory standards, depending on the destination country. Understanding and adhering to these regulations is crucial for compliance and ensuring a seamless import process. Documentation and record-keeping. Maintain comprehensive and organized documentation for industrial machinery imports. This includes commercial invoices, bills of lading, packing lists, certificates of origin, and any other relevant permits or certifications. Proper record-keeping facilitates efficient customs clearance and ensures compliance with documentation requirements. Verification of import licenses and permits. Verify that all required import licenses and permits for industrial machinery have been obtained. Certain machinery may require specific licenses or certifications due to their nature or potential impact on safety or the environment. Ensure that all necessary permits are in place before initiating the import process. Collaboration with customs brokers. Collaborate closely with experienced customs brokers who have expertise in industrial machinery imports. Customs brokers assist in navigating the complex customs clearance process, ensuring compliance with regulations, and providing guidance on efficient import procedures for industrial machinery. Documentation of technical specifications. Include detailed technical specifications and manuals for the imported industrial machinery. These documents provide valuable information about the machinery's functionality, usage, and safety features. Clear and comprehensive technical specifications help customs authorities assess the machinery and facilitate swift clearance. Compliance with electrical and safety standards. Ensure that industrial machinery meets applicable electrical and safety standards. Depending on the nature of the machinery, it may need to comply with specific safety regulations and certifications. Work with suppliers and manufacturers to confirm compliance with these standards before importation. Adequate packaging and secure shipping. Package industrial machinery appropriately to protect it during transit and ensure its safety and integrity upon arrival. Adequate packaging minimizes the risk of damage and ensures that the machinery remains in compliance with safety standards. Choose reputable shipping carriers that specialize in handling heavy machinery for secure transportation. Compliance with import duties and customs fees. Understand and comply with import duties, customs fees, and taxes applicable to industrial machinery imports. Different countries have varying duty rates and fee structures. Stay informed about these charges to accurately calculate costs and facilitate timely payment upon arrival. Regular training on customs compliance. Provide regular training to employees involved in the importation of industrial machinery to ensure they are aware of customs compliance requirements. This includes educating them about relevant regulations, documentation requirements, and proper procedures for ISF filing and customs clearance. Compliance audits and self-assessments. Conduct regular compliance audits and self-assessments for industrial machinery imports. Review processes, documentation, and internal controls to identify any potential compliance gaps or areas for improvement. Periodic assessments help ensure ongoing compliance and mitigate the risk of customs issues. Inspections and testing. Be prepared for inspections and testing of industrial machinery by customs authorities. Inspections may include functionality checks, safety inspections, or environmental assessments. Maintaining the machinery in optimal condition and complying with regulations reduce the likelihood of delays or additional scrutiny. Collaboration with industry associations. Engage with industry associations or trade organizations specializing in industrial machinery imports. These associations provide valuable resources, networking opportunities, and industry updates. Collaborating with industry peers allows you to stay informed about best practices, standards, and any emerging compliance requirements. Proactive risk management. Implement proactive risk management practices to mitigate potential compliance risks. Conduct risk assessments to identify potential vulnerabilities and develop strategies to address and minimize these risks. Proactive risk management ensures compliance and reduces the likelihood of customs-related issues. Compliance with export controls and trade embargoes. Ensure compliance with export controls and trade embargoes related to industrial machinery imports. Some machinery and technology may be subject to export restrictions or embargoes due to national security or geopolitical concerns. Stay informed about these restrictions and comply with all applicable regulations. Regular updates on regulatory changes. Stay updated on regulatory changes that may impact industrial machinery imports. Subscribe to regulatory newsletters, follow industry news, and engage with relevant customs authorities to receive timely updates. Awareness of changes in trade policies and regulations helps maintain compliance and streamline customs clearance. Collaboration with overseas suppliers. Collaborate closely with overseas suppliers to ensure compliance throughout the import process. Maintain open lines of communication to address any compliance concerns, obtain accurate documentation, and clarify any customs-related requirements. Collaborative efforts help avoid potential compliance issues and facilitate smooth importation. Utilize technology and automation. Leverage technology and automation to streamline customs compliance processes for industrial machinery imports. Utilize electronic filing systems, data management tools, and custom software solutions that offer automated data validation and document management. Technology integration improves accuracy, efficiency, and compliance in ISF filing and customs clearance. Ongoing communication with customs authorities. Maintain ongoing communication with customs authorities, both in the country of import and export. Engage in dialogue to address any questions or concerns, stay updated on customs procedures, and clarify requirements for industrial machinery imports. Proactive communication helps ensure compliance and avoids potential delays or issues. Thank you for watching our video on ensuring ISF compliance for industrial machinery imports. By adopting these best practices and adhering to customs regulations, importers can secure smooth customs clearance and ensure compliance throughout the import process. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more informative content on customs clearance and international trade.